Robotic Process Automation Certification. Robotic process automation is a form of automation that uses software robots or bots to automate repetitive and rule-based tasks, mimicking human actions within computer systems. Popular RPA certification programs. UiPath RPA Developer Certification. Automation Anywhere Certified Advanced RPA Professional. Blue Prism Developer Certification. How to prepare RPA certification exam. Understand the exam objectives. Familiarize yourself with the exam objectives and the specific topics that will be covered. Review the course material. Go through the course materials provided during your certification training. Hands-on practice. RPA is a practical field, so hands-on practice is crucial. Benefits of RPA certification. Validation of skills and knowledge. RPA certification provides validation of your skills and knowledge in RPA tools, methodologies, and best practices. Enhanced career opportunities. RPA is a rapidly growing field, and organizations across various industries are adopting automation technologies. Competitive advantage. RPA certification gives you a competitive edge in the job market. Future trends and the role of RPA certification. Intelligent automation and AI integration. As automation technologies advance, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, and cognitive capabilities with RPA is becoming increasingly prevalent. Hyperautomation and process mining. Hyperautomation, which combines RPA with other advanced technologies like process mining and analytics, is gaining momentum. Cloud-based RPA and SaaS solutions. Cloud-based RPA and software as a service, SaaS, solutions are becoming more prevalent, offering scalability, flexibility, and ease of deployment. Conclusion. Robotic Process Automation, RPA, certification is a valuable asset for professionals in the ever-evolving field of automation. Certified professionals are recognized for their expertise and commitment to continuous learning, making them attractive candidates for employers seeking skilled RPA practitioners. RPA certification is essential for professionals looking to excel in the field of automation.